Good evening, everyone. It is about to be 10 p.m. Tuesday, July 29th. I am personally about to fall asleep. I am so tired right now. So we're gonna see if we can blast through this problem, and then I'm gonna see if I can go to bed. So this is Elite Code Hard. We want to find the median from the data stream. So let's see what it says. It says the median is the middle value in an ordered integers list. If the size list is even, there is no middle value, and the median is the mean of the two middle values. For example, 3 minus 3. Uh huh. I'm curious about the runtimes for the heap. Insertion is login, deletion's login, heap sort in login. What about heapify? Okay. I think I can solve this pretty simply if I'm using heaps. I guess, I mean, the fact that we're using heaps kind of gives this away a little bit. So, I mean, we'll see. Can I delete or is it just add? I did that wrong. I did that order wrong. So this is going to be, I'm just going to write this in, log of n. And then I'm going to say if we're going to be doing a double operation or a single operation, depends on the length. So I'm going to say length equals length. Length equals the length of self dot array. And we're saying temp equals self dot array. Alright, so if length mod 2 equals 0, then we are even, which means we need to find 1. This is a pretty weird approach, but we'll see. I probably should do that. Alright. Okay. And then here, I'm just gonna print, find. Sorry, I just want to see if I can get it in proper order. There you go, 0-1. That's the order we'll be at. So, we're going to basically gonna do this is so tacky. So while count is less than length, and length of find is greater than 0, I'm going to say top equals heap q dot pop of temp heap pop, and I'm going to say if count I kind of just want to do like an even and odd. I don't even know. I'm tired. Yeah, look, each one do even and odd. Honestly, screw that. What I can do is I can literally do this. You know what? Or if it's not broke, don't fix it. We'll just leave it as is. It's fine. It's not really that big of a problem. If it breaks, then we'll have to fix it. Otherwise, I think we should be fine. I don't think that works. I think that's broken. Yeah, that'll do it because I'm never incrementing count. So count plus equals 1. Without incrementing it, we're just kind of constantly popping in an infinite loop, which is just going to be a whole problem. You know, it's going to cause... You're going to be popping something that don't even exist. Okay, here we go. Putting up quite a lot here. This is just kind of see what's going on whenever we're doing our testing. Huh? Zero. Length is... The length is 1. Is it... Do I gotta do a dot copy so that way it doesn't mess up? Yeah. Always forget Python's a little finicky. Okay. Output limit exceeded. It's gonna be printing. Most likely that means I'm also probably gonna time limit exceeded, so because it's pretty poorly optimized. I'm assuming it's gonna use some sort of like hyper-specific solutions. Probably why it's all LeetCode hard. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got going. What's our reason? What's our reasoning? Oh, 1 for find medium. Median. Okay. Okay. Huh. Well, that's pretty freaking smart. What the heck? Okay. Alright. Sure, why not? So we'll do... oh, hold on. Sorry. Okay. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Runtime error. Heap 1. See, anywhere else I put heap 1? Nope. Okay. Keep doing that. One and my queue are keep clicking them interchangeably. Ugh. Am I not adding it properly? Is there like a certain way I need to add it? Yeah, it's probably not getting added correctly at all. As you can see, I've been coding in a lot of JavaScript. Maybe we'll do anything like bigger than the max goes to the max, anything smaller goes in. How the hell do you do that? What the? Okay. I did it again. Okay, so we check min heap first, saying if it's valid or not, if it has an item inside of it. If it does, then we need to push something. But if it does have something in it, then we can check. Say, hey, is this the minimum value? Is this proper? And so what will happen is, if not, then if num is let's say less than the minimum, then we're gonna put that over on the greater side, on the max heap. So that's what happens here. But now we need to do a rebalancing. So I'm gonna write here. I'm gonna call this the rebalance. So if length of is equal to length of the max heap plus 2. Then self.max heap will do heap q dot append. Nope. Heap q dot heap push. So self.max q. And then we're gonna do heap q dot heap pop of self.min heap. And I'm going to actually multiply this by -1 to kind of flip it. We're going to do the same thing on the other side of the aisle. Okay, so there you go, rebalancing it. Length of is greater than min heap. Then we will return the max heap. Else, we will return the min heap. Okay. Let's see if this. Oh. Huh? I hope that didn't break anything. Okay, sure. Output, printing. That one kind of came at us quicker, which gives me hope. Hey! What a fun, interesting way of solving that problem. That is a pretty good problem. It earns its spot as a hard. That kind of takes a lot of thinking in order to, try to comprehend what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna end it there. As I said, super tired, so short, sweet video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.